Well, the rain is here. Well, it's been raining a lot. And it's sunny a lot. And then it's back to rain. Oh shoot, it's actually foggy. This is sort of like my birthday party. I can't let it be foggy. So anyway, this is what happened. It blew this tablecloth and knocked out the broom in the dustpan here. I'm just gonna put this right here, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, now, yeah, it's a lot of water too, kind of. And look, you can see some blue skies over there. See? So yeah, it's been raining kind of a lot this morning. Yesterday it was supposed to rain a lot, but not really. So it's like, it's about 3:30 o'clock. Oh look, see, look, the sun's out. That's strange. It was raining like all of a sudden, so I just grabbed the camera and then it just started to be sunny. That's really weird. Yeah, remember those showers from the birthday party? Oh, whoa, what the heck happened here? That's not good. Knocked over the sign. Oh wait, was it like this? I don't know. There's another nail. Oh shoot, it's actually getting kind of foggy again, so I'm gonna go back inside. There's a view of what it looks like. They still have not taken that sign off. Oh, look, now it's sunny. It's sunny. What the freak? This weather is really weird. Oh, the mailman just came. Oh wow, it knocked over that plant. Wow. Okay, it's getting kind of foggy. I'm gonna stop this.